All right, we got a 2020 Porsche Cayenne key fob here. This is how you open the key fob to replace the battery. Okay, so this key fob comes apart like this. Okay, so you're gonna take these side pieces apart first. All right, and there's two ways of doing it. You can give the flathead screwdriver and pry them off from the bottom here, but what I like to do instead of doing that is pull out the emergency key first. It can be kind of sticky and hard, okay, but you need to pull them out this way, and once you get it out, it gives you something to grip when it comes to these side pieces. So we're going to go ahead and just pull one off like this and pull the other side off. It can be kind of hard, so that's why I said you can use a screwdriver too to do this, but you're risking the chances of damaging some of these corners. Now once you get it off, the battery is located right in here, this compartment here. Now if we take this and twist it counterclockwise, okay, that unlocks it and we can pull it out. And I am going to use a little flathead screwdriver to help me with this. Okay, pull the cap off and then the battery would just fall right out. Now the battery size is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing on towards us. When you get your new one, it just falls in here. If you need a battery, down in the description box I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct battery. So when we put this cap back in, it has these right here, these this is how the cap locks. You can see this tab here and there's a tab at the bottom. You need to line them up and down like this, and then turn it clockwise to lock it back together. You can see how it's locked it now. The key actually goes in here like this. Okay, like that. That's how the key sits in here like that. Then you get the side pieces and you can just snap them on. I'm gonna get the emergency key out of the way first. So I'm gonna slide this back out. Slide these things back on here. Like this. And emergency key goes in. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. Whoops. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.